2016 saw the 2LZ Z06, which included a power soft top that could be lowered remotely, a 10-speaker Bose stereo system, cargo net, shade, heads-up display, memory package, auto-dimming inside and out, heated vented seats, power seat bolster lumbar, advanced theft deterrent, and universal home remote. This particular 2016 is one of the very few Admiral Blue, one of 103 made, one owner, and only 9,000 miles. Such low mileage you can expect. The paint is in very good shape. Does have the ground effects, as you can see at the bottom there. The Admiral Blue is a stunning color. The rear spoiler has been added as well as the side effects. Black interior, 7-speed. Being a 2016, it'll have the front cameras and the flat bottom steering wheel. This particular car does have the magnetic selective ride control and the performance data recorder. And the dual mode exhaust, so perfect for some good track time if you are so inclined. It is showing the original tire equipment on the car. And the interior of the car is pretty much flawless. Folks, a 2 supercar to have a ton of fun with on the street, let alone on a track. If you haven't had the opportunity, please come see one.